This came out really cute, and I love the idea of using scrapbook paper. It's inexpensive. You could find it at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I found these little wooden frame cutouts from the Dollar Tree. There was 4 in a pack. And I'm going to trace 2 around each of the bunnies in this scrapbook paper. Now you can recreate this with any napkin, tissue paper, scrapbook paper of your choice. Once I had the frame traced around the bunny, I then cut it with my scissors. I want to just make sure that the frame covers around the edge of the scrapbook paper, so you can trim it until it does just fit perfectly in the frame. So here I just had to trim the corner a little more. It does not have to be a perfect cut, as that frame is going to cover the edges of the paper. I'm then going to take the 2 frames and I'm going to paint one in Wise Owl Higgins Lake. Now, of course, you're going to pick whatever colors match your design. And one, I mixed Republic Red and Snow Owl to get this really pretty pink. And once those were dry, I'm then going to glue the frames around the 2 bunny cutouts. I'm using hot glue to adhere them in place. You can also use super glue. And I'm going to set those to the side. I found these little easels from the Dollar Tree as well. These were pre-painted. I'm going to take my pink frame and glue it in the center of the white easel. I have this little bow that I made, and I'm going to glue it to the top of the easel. I then have this piece of fabric. It's almost like a canvas texture. I'm going to paint over it in Higgins Lake. I love the blue and pinks together, especially around Easter and springtime. I just want a very light coat. And then I'm going to use my stamps. I got these particular stamps at Hobby Lobby, but you can really find stamps at any craft store. And I'm going to use my stamps to write hip hop. And then I did take a Sharpie to just go over it a little darker. And then I'm going to glue that right at the bottom, in the bottom space on the little easel. And I'm going to set that one aside. I think this is just adorable. My second one, I have this Happy Easter. You could find this at Hobby Lobby. It came with at least 4 in a pack. I painted it in dry time, and then I decided to brush over it in a little bit of white. I'm then going to glue my second frame on my second easel. This one's more of a stained wood. I put it closer toward the bottom, and then I left space at the top for the Happy Easter. And I'm holding everything down with the hot glue. This was super simple. I really think this is a cute shelf sitter idea. I hope you give it a try. Paint products, tissue paper transfers, mesh stencils, wood cutouts, and our monthly subscription can all be found at chalkitupfancy.com. Have a great day.